Numba Tuarango emipango yokochoro mwemu abangina banya bali swako nchingeni abandi bako abali bamabere banya bali swako ni amabere
ngoro ku Henry Nyairo nyanga balia oyo nyakara enche mbwatira ngo yamagendo ege tabangina baitu bachire roche bakabani haru kirumu bani ora mati isko boko buto bate chibono abani ora barode tibira kidi tuto bo manyike
Korwa se county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV editoriane Job Maangi
Mbia mono mulikito Job Maangi gotigana na roboti ruo oyokoligia ekerugo kyobo women rep ase county ya Kisii Omosubati Bridget Ombati na umerana n'abamenyekoro ase bunge ya Bomachoge abwasaba bolya komwa amagoro elyogochakora county ya Kisii nigate babunanigo agochakwenekia amagenderero anene asabana n'abasubati Mildred Momanyi no mulikyo ito no roboti ruo senchera yobotambe
Obachori bw'omwaka oyo bono nigo bwabeire irange abo ase ebirogo ao bigenderete komererwa amate oyo koboria ekirogo kyobo women rep korwa county ya Kisii Bridget Ombati na umerana n'abamenyi korwa Bomachoge elyokorarie ganga yaye abo ase nambe nyinge y'abasubati besokya guchekomwa amaguru
Dero igotorega iga muno Bomachoge igotwacha kwendos omongina Bridget Ombati Tali batu ateba Ama eno mongina Bridget origirie kerogeke akoira lakini ourwa tali bagaki Rero iga korumisesi maate pakanyagenke na kitu ateba Gakiando siesi tokwenda Omogusii omogima Bridget twatebire tali bagaki Igasa tokwenda abagaka baito abanyina abana baito abairi baito rero igogo twatebire ngatali monginonde Bridget Ombati
Intuo twachaga iga asomoroberio bwogosokyo mongina Bridget muno mo women rep oito ase Bomachoge omonto twasokiri tobwate Bridget bweka na batwakwana
Boigo abagakambaira libagerio na kuria eira yogocha kumubwatesia Ombati ase eganga yaye yoburai
Lero gutwabere no mogoko sana aso mongino ito Bridget okoligie kerogo kia women representative Kisii County achire gaiga elinde naintwe muna abantu Bomachoge to moko boko elinda abo mu women rep nabo gona nabo to kusaba se nyomba jirije to muna bagetutu abanyali bali nabagirango nabande bonse bale Kisii County modo bwasinga kie no yomongena Bridget abantu baminto mwajire na mongena Bridget ngakiye
Lero gotwaicha mune asimio yo Bomachoge ochache na Kisii engima kwa uchumura tokwendosi omongena Bridget Ombati muno mo women rep einere asimio twati muno Bomachoge mwancherane boigo
Igotu achirali tukolia lero asengenchi omongena Bridget Ombati. Bridget Ombati wabeiro kolie kerogo kyobo women rep asa matuka mange. We believe nga 2017 Bridget Ombati na agere tuchikura naenda akaira. Lakini asengenchi mama yetebu nanga kichikura chire chiagusia iga na Kenya ngima ekabepa ati embeta tangaswa. Taliero ira tachikura? Lakini ba mutangazete. Bone raundi yeye intubura Bomachoge chache na Bomachoge borabu. Igotu amuire ngonde bwensi ogocha koligyo boko Bomachoge litangani araturasegesieri ya Bridget Ombati gosebana
Ginko reporteria egetaseni kya Ndizi TV elietaliane Mildred Momanyi
Mbia mono Mildred Momanyi Omugavana we county ya Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui nigobona boliri abamenyi bensemeyo ya Nakuru kumubwatesia ase ganga yayo kuligia ekerugo kyobo governor ase ntunde ya kabere Kinyanjui nigaba enekeria abamenyi bensemeyo buna nache kubaenekeria amagenderero anene mona sensemo yobonchoreria.
It's an election year. I'll be going around to talk to different people seeking for support, just like we did in 2017. I will be seeking my re-election on a party by the name Ubuntu People's Forum. Correct? And I will be talking to everybody. I'm seeking for the position of the governor. Hebrews 6 verse 10, and it says this, that God is not unjust. He will not forget your work and the love you have shown in Him, as you have helped your people and continue to help them.
Na bamenyi kurwase kaunti ya Turukana bono nigo bari ni kiba kwegokeria maega y'umurobilyo bwa mache amaya yo kunywa gwikerana murobilyo nyarire ko ba ase myaka ene bona bamenyi bensemeyo nigo ba kirembiya mono anene mono asensemo ya mache gekoragwa ne serikali ne serikali ye kaunti yo abwase batebire bono etugo yabo tiri gucugukwa nande mba kuburo mache yo gokorera ubutumiki bwabo bwakera lituko.
The mechanism called Water Users Association. Now I realize it is a very strategic decision and smart way of securing sustainable water supply. Once we have the water supply system in place, they help with the community bringing the water supply and also linking with the schools. Students and teachers benefit, and even the dispensary, so that community health in general also benefited.
As you are aware, we have been implementing for the last 4 years, we've been implementing a project called TUCO. This is Turkana County, UNICEF and Koika Water Project, targeting the two sub-counties of Turkana Central and Loima sub-counties. And through this Koika funding and UNICEF, we've actually been able to drill 70 wells or boreholes, split equally between the sub-counties of Central and Loima. We've also been able to undertake the construction of 10 sand dams just to improve the groundwater recharge. Again, this is split between the two sub-counties. We've also been able to train 61, to establish 61 water user associations. Again, each of these is expected to be able to maintain the infrastructure that we've been able to establish across these sub-counties. It is not just the training alone. Actually, Koika and UNICEF have been able, working with the department, have been able to train those water user associations on O&M and of course how to maintain the systems going forward. This project has been of great, huge, significant support to the work that Turkana County is undertaking to ensure that every resident has access to potable water.
Na gwikirabo mancho murigeria na tukora ya buturira asense yeiga kurinde tumera nande chikoraga chinsa isato nchuko kumanyaya amana yanda mange asenchira yobo ikiranu kigima kurinde sebono nigo tugutamboka toende ya mase ya mogwika ase omobaganyo Camel Park abwasabali kibaito bamangana maya bagete kambi asomorobelyo muya kigima omanyakanete buna Obwari Bw'Omogusii egere barato tebyanga nararia ya agendrete asense yeiga na gotomorobelyo mugima ase amangana y'Obwari Bw'Omogusii.
Saku, Musa Jotevere, Tigomo Kungwarie, Agicha Timanya, Ubono Bojinga, Mukungo Teve, Tigomo Sajakore, Agicha Timanya, Ubono Bojinga, Ubono Bonyaka Intwe, Togotio Terelia, Abasa Jessican, Timore Tengerie, Ubono Bonyaka Intwe, Togotio Terelia, Abakungwe Siking, Monyo Rengerie, Mara ni alia na ndani alia siago edu mara time alia na Samuel ya kumwera so yani wa ombe e waitira bange elietelira buintwe tokori misius yani wa ombe waitira bange elietelira buintwe tokori misius wate furore andi na tunya chaki kage chaki oyo akonya kwesabusia Fatume, naende na tumachaki, ukage chaki oyo, tere mampotosha, uyo mama saviere, imenye teboye, luchenka ringa kwa, kisa chikanta iyo, kesa chikadie, visete choka, ukuye rutanse, oboche waera, kesa chikadie, visete choka, ukuye rutanse, oboche waera. Espedi, wazeni Angwane rata nyanga ine handi Uwayambaria Odinga Teresa Mutogendeji Unibaka ngombe Ongire gokarisi Kabeira mauko Mutogendeji Unibaka ngombe Ongire gokarisi Kabeira mauko Orore yabande Omanyena risete Kenurire raun Umanya koyetamani Abandera, omanyena risete, nanori rao, omanya koyetamani, ukoge goikera, uyonaga chagi, engombe yabande, enera gochunya, ukoge goikera, uyonaga chagi, engombe yabande, enera gochunya, uyota komanye, unanejazi obwatwe, omanye nengombe, akobutore biebo, uyota komanye, unanejazi obwatwe, Omonye negaye akobutore biebo Erende Onkonelia Nina isirialia Elisa asirikia Kayo Era ya banda Kanyange, nakuoga tabwa tiachari, ogendia chigari.
Ndizi TV. Obwari Bw'Omogusii. Ndizi TV, Obwari Bw'Omogusii, nigo bono ya nikirundekerene, nego kurentera, chibicha chinkia, na boigo chinkeno nukukigima, na bogo tonyora, asoro gonko Bw'Omogusii, neji kaunti chito etanaine, una, kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, nechisemo chinde chinyinge, nigo kotonyora, asite kode ya Star Times, Channel 195, Go TV, Channel 824, na free to air decoders, Digital TV, na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo iko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV Obwari Bw'Omogusii.
Nare noale makupamba noale omongwana koro kungatinera bikundo noale nabana musiki banda bange mpaka embaramba mboyo gotabana na onya kogunze no abale bonse pia so bwamo ni nchuga iga pako omongwana koro kunga maku body b aja bana dere surprise bonse pi no abale iga